హే గైస్, ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ మీరు ఇలాంటి మెంతికూర పప్పును ఎప్పుడూ చేసి ఉండరు. ఇది చాలా వెరైటీగా మరియు టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది. ప్రాసెస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ సింపుల్. ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ యువర్ ఎంటైర్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్రిషియేట్ యూ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్. So they can't stop eating. This is very tasty. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, you have to wash methi leaves. Now I have taken half cup of tur dal and 2 tablespoons of masoor dal. Wash it and add in a cooker. Now add 3 tomatoes and some turmeric. Add water as per the requirement. Now for this, you have to make one paste. For that you have to add green chilies, red chilies and some garlic cloves including peels. Now mash the dal, heat a pan, add oil, add some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, chopped onions. Here I have taken only one small onion. Mix everything and cook until the onions are cooked well. Now add the grinded red chilli and green chilli paste. Now you have to fry until the raw smell goes off. It may take some 2 to 3 minutes. Now add pinch of asafoetida or hing. Add the mashed dal mixture. Now I am adding some tamarind water. Here I have soaked the tamarind for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I am adding that water. Mix everything. Till now we haven't added any salt. At this stage you have to add the salt as per your taste. Now let the dal cooks for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it started boiling, you have to add some dhania powder or coriander powder. Here I have added around 1 to 2 tablespoons of dhania powder. It tastes so good and you can't stop eating. I am sure your entire family is going to love this recipe. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment. So cook it on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. That's it. Our delicious pappu is ready.